it's Sharon Luska here from My Crafty Greetings. I am tackling a craft roulette parameter card today, and it's a joyfold card. So I have 11 by 17, which is basically two 8.5 by 11 pages, just not cut yet. But we can do some side folding cards if we score these in advance and then we cut it. Now this is only 80-pound paper. I got it at Office Max in the States. It's Astrobrite. Astrobrite is actually the brand that is manufactured by the Nina people. So it's great quality, great colored paper. Great, it's white colored. But it's a nice white. That's my point. It's a great white color. We are going to assemble this joyfold card. So it's supposed to be buggy ride colors, sticks and stones, and trim of some sort. If you haven't watched Craft Roulette, you have to. It's amazing. It's on Friday nights on YouTube. So I am putting down this wood paper for my sticks, and I'm going to make this kind of like a modern rustic type of card. So you can see I've decided to just hack an inch off the end, and that allows me to do the joyfold component, which is my salvage piece. This is 3 inches. So it's going to leave an inch around and an inch of white exposed, which we're going to cover. So you can see here it's got an inch, and then the 3 inches across, an inch at this end. And we're going to just stick this in here, and we are going to get some stones, and this is a Recollections paper pad. So it has got the best different types of finishes in it. It's a good capture. I think there might be one at Craft Stash that you can get that's similar to this. So I make a mistake here lining this up, and I peel it back up, which is going to curl this end badly. So I'm going to turn it around and take it away from the fold, which is the area that's most shown flat. And then as I lay it down, I'm going to add a bunch more ATG or tape runner to the end here so that it grabs that rolled up piece and nobody will be any the wiser. And then once I put this piece over top, you cannot see my boo-boo. So this is apparently a joyfold, or at least I hope it's a joyfold. I'm telling you it's a joyfold because it made me joyful. I'm going to dry fit this in here. And this is a couple of sets from Scrappy Tales, and one of these flowers here are from the Rain Boots and Flowers and Potted Flowers set, and then the beautiful little daffodils are from this set here, the egg Carton Seedlings. It has that gorgeous strip there, and then these little daffodils that are layering daffodils, and then I love the little tools, oh my gosh. And then there's roots there if you want to do those kind of planted ones. I did a bunch of other cards that I'll show you later too, not in this video, but in another video that use those seedlings as well. I love this set. You've seen it many times, and this set also so many times, but these little tulips, they are just so sweet, and they're perfectly sized. They're just over an inch high and then about an inch wide, and they layer together super easily. And then I yanked out my Fairy Sentiment stamp set. I love this because the typing is a little bit bigger than the average stamp set for this type of linear stamping. And so it's a little easier on older eyes, which mine are, and I'm test stamping it. This is a good thing to do if your set is not brand new, because mine picks up doggy hairs and lints and little bits of stuff. And so what I do is stamp it, check it, and make sure that it's perfect. Now I also thought, I don't know if this is too dark, because the Versa Fine or Versa Clear is very intense, and the archival ink here in the coffee is just a little bit softer brown. It looks more brown than black, and sometimes you get that blacky brown, not the brown brown. So from Bead something, you know, Michael's, my boyfriend's store, I got this hemp cord, and it's got a bunch of different colors. Now you can color it with just get the white one, and you can color it with a marker like a Copic or something like that. You can color this stuff with anything. Anyways, I'm doing a bunch of winds around, and one of the things I wanted to show you is, did you know that if you tie towards your text, everything will go towards the text? And if you undo it and you turn it around and you tie away from the text, it won't hang over top of your text. Have you ever heard that before? It is a true fact, my friends. Which way you tie makes all the difference when you're doing cord, and if you don't want it all over your text, that's what you want to do. And of course, I'm going to fiddle fart because I like to fiddle fart. I like to zhuzh. I have a few of those pieces that is actually the ground, but of course makes a very beautiful edging detail that I used on many other cards. I will show them to you, I promise. I keep alluding to cards and you must just wonder. So here's another thing too. So this did not work well with the scissors. And what I have done, and I've done this for many, many years in my videos, is if I am going to use foam tape, I stick it to old release paper. You have to be careful because some of the release paper over time, it will actually stick itself to, but test some, or if you have long strips that come off of your rolls, like long strips of release paper, save it, because if you want to cut slimmer pieces, it will save your scissors. So I'm going to give this little watering can some extra detail. I just punched it out in some silver here, and what I'm doing is just doing a little separation for the spout and the handle, and then a little separation inside here. So I'm just denting it in with my little ball stylus here, and then I'm going to also dent in the little rosette. And then with a little zhuzhing on the back, it's going to round the front a bit and give it more of a tin canned kind of look. And then that little curved part is also which makes that spout look round, like it's going to pour some water on your plants. So I also noticed it's good to inspect your cards, and if you see things that need attention, take care of them. A little bit of brown there saves somebody from getting that out of the envelope and saying, oh, there's white at the end. Well, would they ever say that? Because I could kill them with a glare. But I still like to look at them and see them looking pretty. Now, these beautiful little seedling greens are from the egg carton seedling set. And then the tulips and the watering can are from one set. And then I'm going to add in these gorgeous tools. Oh my gosh, I love these tools. I have so many of them cut already, and I can't stick them on anything because I'm in love with them. So yeah, I'm a fool. I'm a fool when it comes to card making. I also layered a piece of silver behind so you don't see the back of that cord, and it really brings it up into modern farmhouse or modern rustic. And there's my joy of a joy fold card. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe. Please come back. I love you all. I think I'm getting back on track, and thank you for supporting me. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye. Everything will be listed below too. Bye.